Hello everyone, welcome to my channel about engineering. In this video, I will explain mechanical engineering from zero. You don't need any background knowledge. You don't need to be good at math yet. You don't need to be an engineer. If you are a student who is thinking about studying engineering or someone who is already studying but feel confused, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what mechanical engineering really is, what mechanical engineers actually do, and what skills you need, and whether this field is right for you or not. Okay, let's start from the very beginning. Mechanical engineering is one of the oldest and broadest engineering fields. In simple words, mechanical engineering is about building, designing, and improve physical systems that move, produce energy, or transfer heat. Everything that moves or uses mechanical powers exists because of mechanical engineers. For example, cars, airplanes, engines, machines in factories, power plants, heating and cooling systems. If something moves, rotates, vibrates, heats up or cools down, a mechanical engineer was involved. Mechanical engineering answers one main question: how should the system be built to work safely, efficiently, and reliably? Many people think mechanical engineers only fix machines, work with dirty tools, or stand next to engines all day. That's not true. Mechanical engineers work in three main areas. Firstly, design and analysis. They design parts and systems, gears, shafts, engines, mechanical structures. They use software like CAD and simulation tools. Before building anything, they calculate and test it digitally. Second, manufacturing and production. Mechanical engineers decide how a product should be manufactured, which materials to use, how to reduce cost and increase quality. Factories cannot work without mechanical engineers. The third one is that testing and improvement. After a system is built, engineers test it, find weak points, improve efficiency, increase safety. Engineering is not just building, it is continuous improvement. Okay? Now let's talk about what you actually study. Don't be scared by the names, I will explain them simply. The first one is, of course, physics, the language of reality. Physics helps you understand forces, motion, and energy. Without physics, machines are just metal. You learn why objects move, why they break, how forces affect systems. And mathematics. Math is not the goal. Math is tool. You use math to calculate forces, analyze motion, and model systems. You don't need to love math. You need to use it correctly. The third one is mechanics, the heart of mechanical engineering. Mechanics explains how objects move, how structures carry loads, why materials fail. This includes statics, dynamics, strengths of materials. This is where engineering becomes real. Next one is thermodynamics, energy and heat. Thermodynamics studies heat, energy, and power. Engines, power plants, refrigerators, air conditioners, all depends on thermodynamics. This subject teaches you how to control energy. The last one is manufacturing and materials. You learn how materials behave, how to choose the right material, how products are made. A good engineering doesn't only design, he knows how things are built in real life. Being a mechanical engineer is not just about subjects. You need skills. 1. Problem-solving thinking. Engineers solve problems, not memorize answers. You must learn how to break problems into parts, think logically, and test solutions. And practical mindset. Mechanical engineers think, will this work in real life? Not everything perfect on paper works in reality. Software skills. Modern engineers use CAD software, simulation tools, and basic programming. You don't need to be a programmer, but you must be comfortable with technology. Communication. Engineers work in teams. You must explain ideas, designs, and problems. A silent engineer is a weak engineer. Mechanical engineers work in many industries: aerospace, manufacturing, energy, and construction, robotics, and HVAC systems. You are not limited to one job. This is why a mechanical engineering is called a foundation engineering field. From mechanical engineering, you can move to automation, robotics, management, or research. Ask yourself these questions. Do I enjoy understanding how things work? Do I like solving real-world problems? Am I patient enough to learn difficult concepts? Do I prefer building systems rather than only writing code? If your answer mostly yes, mechanical engineering may be a good choice for you. But remember, this field requires discipline, consistency, and long-term thinking. It's not easy, but it's powerful. Mechanical engineering is not about being perfect. It's about learning step by step. If you start from zero and stay consistent, you can become a strong engineer. In the next video, I will explain mechanical engineering subjects one by one, real career path, and how mechanical engineering compares to automation. If this video helped you, support the channel by subscribing. And if you have any questions, write them in the comments. This channel about engineering explained simply. Goodbye.